You know the situation. You invest a lot of time to create high-value content for your audience. And when you don't see results from that content right away, it can sometimes weigh on your motivation and even belief in your brand. Hey, I'm Brent Gorell, a brand and marketing strategist for DIY digital marketers like you and me. And in today's digital marketing do-over, we're going to cover 3 simple do-overs to stay fired up about your digital business and your content, even when those short-term results aren't all unicorns and rainbows. So mindset do-over number 1 is to use the word yet, Y-E-T, with purpose and intention rather than despair. So this is a technique I learned from reading a post on Instagram that and Krumink shared. Here's how it works. Right now, I'm investing a lot of time to create content for this YouTube channel. And the short-term results that could get me down right now is the fact that I have no subscribers. That could wear on my motivation and belief in my brand if I say something like, I don't have any subscribers yet. Or I can shine a brighter light on the situation and say, the first 1,000 subscribers just haven't arrived yet. Notice how using the word yet with purpose and intention drives action to dig deeper, become a student of the game, and prove every day with the belief that the subscribers just haven't arrived yet. Mindset do-over number 2, look back. It's so easy to look forward at what you want to accomplish, but how often do you look back at the progress you've already made to keep you motivated and fired up inside your digital business? Now, if you've ever done a DIY home reno that's taken a couple of days to accomplish, you know how this works. The first day, you do a little bit of work, you go to bed that night, and then when you wake up the next day, you see the progress you've made and you want to continue pushing forward. But inside our digital business, our progress can often be hidden from our view. So a do-over to put in place is to keep track of your actions each day. So you can look back, see the progress you've made, and that keeps you motivated and fired up even when those short-term results try to bring you down. Mindset do-over number 3, focus more on what you can control. My guess is you started your business for both intrinsic and extrinsic reasons. Now, it's easy to focus on the extrinsic stuff because that's the stuff like making more money. But I noticed this mindset do-over when I was reading Jean-Francois Menard's book, Train Your Brain Like an Olympian. To keep your motivation high when things aren't going your way over the short term, Jean-Francois suggests to keep more of your motivation on your intrinsic reasons because those are within your control. Which is why I share 3 3-minute emails on how to ignite your brand with my DIY digital marketing insiders. Because once you have a clear and defined brand, then you know why you're showing up every day to help your audience. And that's something that's within your control. So go ahead, use the word yet with intention and purpose. Track your actions so you can look back at your progress. And keep more of your focus on things within your control. To keep your motivation red hot, even when those short-term results try to bring you down. As with all my do-over advice, test it, tweak it, see how it works for you, and please share your feedback and questions in the comments. I'm good at responding. While you're doing that, I'm going to put the finishing touches on the next do-over we're going to cover, which is 3 reasons why it's okay to feel awkward about continuously repeating your branded message inside your content and doing it anyways. If you'd like to catch that video, you can do so by subscribing and hitting the notification bell. If you missed our last do-over, you'll find that right over here. And if you'd like to become a DIY digital marketing insider to declutter your digital marketing and ignite your brand so your audience can't help but notice, well, you can do that right over here. And if you decide to take action on any of these options, well, then I will see you there. Thanks so much for watching. Cheers.